A binomial experiment is a probability experiment with the following 5 properties. The experiment has a fixed number of trials. The trials are independent of each other, so the outcome of one trial will not affect the outcome of another. There are only 2 possible outcomes for each trial, success or failure. The probability of success is the same for each trial, and the random variable x counts the number of successful trials. So we have some symbols. N is the number of trials, P is the probability of success in a single trial, Q is the probability of failure in a single trial, and Q is equal to 1 minus P. So the probabilities for all the outcomes in a given scenario need to add up to be 1. And because we only have 2 possible outcomes, P and Q, P plus Q needs to equal 1. So Q is equal to 1 minus P. X is the random variable that represents the number of successes in n trials. So X is equal to 0, 1, 2, and all the way up to n, whatever n is. For the following binomial experiments, identify S, F, N, P, Q, and all possible values of X. A certain surgical procedure has a 95% chance of success. A doctor performs the procedure on 8 patients. The random variable represents the number of successful surgeries. So S is the surgery is successful. F is the surgery is not successful. N is 8. P is 0.95. Q is 1 minus 0.95, which is 0.05. And X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.